Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the bubble accessory in King Legacy. Start by reaching the correct island spawn point, then clear nearby enemies quietly to avoid resets. Check for a subtle visual cue near a glowing rock before interacting. Use a fast boat or walk for a consistent timing window, and coordinate with friends to hold spawns while one player claims the bubble accessory. In this video, I will show how to get the bubble accessory in King Legacy. Start by sailing or sprinting to the northeast island and landing precisely at the waypoint. Eliminate any hostile NPCs in a 50-meter circle so the spawn timer can reset reliably. Wait for a faint blue pulse on a specific glowing rock, then interact immediately to claim the bubble accessory before the spawn despawns or another player intervenes. In this video, I will show how to get the bubble accessory in King Legacy. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and lunches fresh during long grind sessions. They stack neatly in bags, are dishwasher safe, and make snack time less messy when you camp at spawn points. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get the bubble accessory in King Legacy. Preparation is key. Bring speed items, a reliable boat, and at least one friend to hold positions. Time your approach during low server activity if possible, and avoid crowding the exact spawn point. If someone else triggers the event, regroup and try again after the area cools down so you can secure the bubble accessory without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.